third section, where students are actually writing, they're composing, we're asking them to make those rhetorical choices of their own.
Yeah, absolutely. And so if they are working on, for example, focusing on an audience, then in the earlier workshops and then within the middle text when they're practicing, they're thinking about what was this writer's audience? Who was this writer's audience? And then answering some questions. And within each of those practice selections in the middle, as they look at each big idea in isolation, they can pinpoint and understand how it's working. But even more importantly, there's a question that will put it all together for them. So they see how rhetorical situation and the reasoning and organization together help deliver that message for that writer. From there, then they see how that will work in their own message and for their own audience, identifying their audience, working on their particular reasoning and organization that they would like to follow. And so as they learn from these standard pieces in American literature and from their contemporaries like Pink and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, they will ultimately be able to put those skills together for reading and for writing and a deeper understanding of all the big ideas working and I'm a musician, so I think about them working in harmony, 4 different voice parts, creating one piece of music.
So our units start out in a very receptive. The students are receiving a message from another writer and they're analyzing that. And they move over the course of the unit to a productive mode where they are producing a work of their own and they are making those rhetorical choices the same way a professional writer would make those rhetorical choices to engage an audience or to achieve a particular purpose. And so we go from from reception to production, and we're building students' abilities to craft those arguments, to share their own perspectives, and ultimately change the world.